how many hours per day am I spending letting people know about my stuff? Most people spend zero per day letting people know about their stuff, and then for some reason they're curious as to why their business isn't growing. Well, no one knows you exist. I was at a conference, I was at GymCon recently, and I asked the audience, who here wants to grow their gym faster? Everybody raised their hand. And I said, okay. And these are all small businesses. So most of the guys here are doing, I'd say, $500,000 a year to $3 million a year. So these aren't massive businesses. They're normal, 1 location, 3 location, 5 location owner operators of service-based, training businesses. And I said, okay, who here is spending the first 4 hours of their day promoting their business? Either doing cold outreach, making content, or running ads. Who is spending the first 4 hours every day on that? Literally, no one in the audience had their hand raised. And I was like, this is why you're small. Like, this is it. Like, it was mind-blowing to me that was what it was. And so if you're making less than, call it $1 million, maybe $3 million a year, like all of your effort, the first 4 hours of your day, which if you have to wake up early, awesome. If you have to stay up late to do it, awesome. I don't care. But you need 4 hours that you're dedicating because you gotta do the job of promoting, and then you gotta run your business. But if you're just running your business, you're never gonna get ahead. So if you want it to grow, you gotta force it to grow. You have to force people to find out about your stuff, and you do that through advertising.